In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a cost resource in Microsoft Project. We'll go from start to finish in 3 simple parts: creating the cost resource, assigning it to a task, and entering the cost amount so it shows up correctly in your budget and reports. First, create the cost resource. Open the resource sheet by going to the View tab and choosing Resource Sheet. In a blank row, type a clear descriptive name, something like travel, equipment, or meals, so you know exactly what expense it represents. In the type column for that row, change the value from work to cost, then press Enter. That one change tells Project this is a cost type resource, which is perfect for expenses such as airfare, lodging, permits, or one-time fees. A quick tip: create separate cost resources for different spending categories to keep reports clean and totals accurate. Unlike work resources, cost resources don't use hours, rates, or calendars, so you won't set a standard rate here. Next, assign the cost resource to a task. Switch to the Gantt chart view. Click the task that will incur the expense, then open the Assign Resources window and select the cost resource you just created. Click Assign. Now the resource is linked to that task. Keep in mind, you must assign a cost resource before you can enter a value. Otherwise, there's nowhere for the amount to live. You can use the same cost resource on multiple tasks, which makes it easy to track recurring categories like travel across your schedule. Finally, enter the cost amount. Go to Task Usage from the View tab, find your task, and expand it so you can see the resources listed beneath it. Locate the cost resource line under that task, then in the cost column, type the amount, say 500, and press Enter. Each task can carry a different amount for the same cost resource, and Project will roll those numbers into the task's total cost and up through summary tasks, giving you consistent budget totals. If you need to review or adjust costs later, just return to Task Usage and edit the value on the cost resource line. To see this in action, imagine a task called Client Meeting. Assign travel and meals as cost resources, then enter 300 for travel and 100 for meals. Both costs appear under that task and flow into your overall budget. That's all it takes. Create the cost resource, assign it to a task, and enter the amount. You now have precise control over non-labor expenses in Microsoft Project.